हेलो गाइस, हाउ आर यू? वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज का जो हमारा स्टडी में टॉपिक है वो है प्रोटीन्स। मैं इसको इस तरह डिफाइन करूंगी कि आपके सिंपल से नोट्स बन जाएं। आप अगर मेरे लेक्चर को नोट करेंगे तो आपके नोट्स बनते जाएंगे। तो शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो को। इन सिंपल टर्म्स, प्रोटीन्स कैन बी डिफाइंड एज the nitrogenous substances that are composed of various chains of amino acids that are linked through peptide linkage. These are present in all living matters and constitute an essential part of the human diet. अगर दूसरी डेफिनेशन को देखा जाए तो प्रोटीन्स आर द चीफ बिल्डर्स ऑफ द बॉडी। और अगर एक और डेफिनेशन को देखा जाए तो कहा जा सकता है कि अमाइनो एसिड्स आर द बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स ऑफ प्रोटीन्स। तो इसमें से जो भी डेफिनेशन आपको पसंद है वो आप लिख सकते हैं, जो भी आपको इजी लगे। नेक्स्ट फिर आती है कंपोजिशन ऑफ प्रोटीन्स। प्रोटीन्स आर कॉम्प्लेक्स मॉलिक्यूल्स विच कंटेन ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, नाइट्रोजन। सल्फर होता है कभी कभी प्रोटीन के साथ, कभी कभी फॉस्फोरस होता है। नॉर्मल प्रोटीन रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है एक एडल्ट की? नॉर्मल प्रोटीन रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ एन एडल्ट इज 1 gram per kg of the body weight. However, growing children, pregnant and nursing mothers need more protein. What are the sources of proteins? Sources of proteins are of both animal and plant origin. The most common sources are beans, nuts, pulses, meat like fish, egg, milk, cheese. Next है क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन। प्रोटीन को हम क्लासिफाई कर सकते हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर स्ट्रक्चर, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर कंपोजिशन। Classification of proteins on the basis of their structure. There are 4 levels of protein structure: primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure, quaternary structure. Classification on the basis of composition. There are simple proteins, conjugated proteins, and there are also third type of proteins known as derived proteins. Primary structures are simple structure of amino acids. They are long chain of amino acids arranged in a sequence. They are also called as non-functional proteins. Secondary structures, the long chain of proteins are folded and arranged in a helix shape where the amino acids interact by the formation of hydrogen bonds. This type of protein structure is also called as pleated sheet. Tertiary structure of proteins, long polypeptide chains become more stabilizes by folding and coiling by the formation of ionic or hydrophobic bonds. Quaternary structure of protein, when a protein is an assembly of more than one polypeptide or subunits of its own, this is said to be quaternary structure of protein. Classification of proteins on the basis of composition. Number 1, simple proteins. The proteins which on hydrolysis gives only amino acids are called as simple proteins. Example of simple proteins are egg albumin, serum albumin, wheat albumin, egg globulin, serum globulin, keratin in hair, horn, nails. Conjugated proteins. Conjugated proteins are those proteins which are composed of simple protein and non-proteinaceous substances called apopart and prosthetic group. Apopart is also called prosthetic group. Major examples of conjugated proteins are nucleoprotein, which are found in the nuclei of living cell, glycoproteins, which are found in the saliva and tendons, phosphoproteins present in hemoglobin, lipoprotein, which include lipid, glycoprotein having a prosthetic group of carbohydrates, phosphoprotein having a prosthetic group of phosphate, lipoprotein having a prosthetic group of lipids. Derived proteins. These are also called as naturally occurring proteins. These proteins are derivatives of proteins which results from the action of heat, enzymes or chemical reagents. Example of such type of proteins are peptones, peptides, proteases. Functions of proteins. Proteins take an essential part in the formation of protoplasm. Proteins build new tissues of the body. The main function of protein is body building and to maintain already developed tissues. Proteins maintain and replace damaged tissues. Nucleic acid, which contains proteins, serves as carriers of heredity. Proteins carry out regulating activities as enzymes and hormones. All enzymes which are biological catalysts are proteins, and without them life is not possible. Proteins are protective as antibodies. Some proteins perform transport function, such as hemoglobin act as a carrier of oxygen. Plasma protein take part in blood clotting, for example prothrombin and fibrinogen. Keratin protein forms hair, nails, feathers, horns and beaks. Proteins are responsible for movement as contractile proteins, actin and myosin form basic structures of muscles. That's all about today's lecture. अगर आपको आज का मेरा लेक्चर अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें। इसमें कुछ चीज़ें मैंने एक्सप्लेन नहीं की, जैसे अमाइनो एसिड्स हो गए, उस पर मैं आपके लिए एक सेपरेट वीडियो लेकर आऊँगी, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट अमाइनो एसिड्स की भी टाइप्स हैं, नॉन एसेंशियल अमाइनो एसिड्स, एसेंशियल अमाइनो एसिड्स। तो मज़ीद वीडियोज़ मैं अपलोड करती रहूँगी। थैंक यू।